In today's video, I'm going to teach you running and debugging Python inside Docker containers using VS Code. By the end, you'll have a smooth workflow for building, running, and debugging your Python app inside a container without leaving your editor. Start by opening your project folder in VS Code. Having your code open in the workspace ensures everything the tools generate lands in the right place. As a quick prerequisite, make sure Docker is installed and running on your machine so VS Code can build and start containers. It also helps to have the Python extension installed for better language support, though today we'll focus on the Docker workflow. Next, open the extensions view in VS Code and install the Docker extension published by Microsoft. This extension adds the commands, scaffolding, and debug integrations we need. Once it's installed, you'll see a new Docker view in the sidebar and some commands available through the command palette. Open the command palette and run docker add Docker files to workspace. This command scans your project and sets up the containerization pieces for you. When prompted, choose Python as your application platform, then select the appropriate framework, General for a vanilla script, Flask for a Flask app, or Django for a Django project. You'll also be asked for your entry point, which is the file VS Code should run in the container. Common choices are app.py, main.py, or for Django, manage.py with the correct run arguments. If you're unsure, select the file that you usually run locally. VS Code now generates the configuration you need, including a launch.json with a pre-configured Docker Python debug setup. Behind the scenes, it also scaffolds Docker-related files such as a Docker file and a .docker ignore to streamline builds. The launch configuration is what ties everything together, telling VS Code how to build the image, start the container, and attach the debugger. Open the Run and Debug view, choose the generated Docker Python configuration, and press F5. On the first run, VS Code builds the image, creates a container, starts your Python process with the debug server enabled, and attaches the debugger. Set a few breakpoints beforehand so you can immediately verify that execution pauses where expected. If your app serves HTTP traffic, the generated setup typically maps the right port. Watch the debug console for the container logs and any exposed URL. The first build may take a bit longer, but subsequent runs will be faster. When you're done, use the stop button to shut down the debug session and container. Rerun with F5 anytime to continue developing with reliable, repeatable containerized debugging.